everybody, this is Saranya, the treasurer of Pondicherry Youth Entrepreneurs Network. Why am I here today? Today is the National Technological Day of India. Today is the day when India marked its first step by sending three successful nuclear weapons at Indian Army's Pokhran. Followed by May 11 on May 13th, another two successful nuclear tests were conducted under the surveillance of the late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This is why on May 11th, National Day is observed all over India. I, as an engineer and the treasurer of Pondicherry Youth Entrepreneurs Network, on this auspicious day, come forward to help all the youngsters who are up with their ideas into a product. Thank you.
Today, on behalf of the National Technological Day, I am going to speak about the trends in the transportation field. As humans decide to move for a long distance with a less of a span of time, so that we just build machines which can take us for a long distance with a less span of time. So the cars, machines, cars, jets, and flights were made for that, but they can take up to a minimum distance, minimum speed also. So that as humans decide to go beyond the limits, we just building trains which are just go beyond the 300 to 500 kilometers. It is the ultimate version of a bullet trains. This is just as you think, it's none other than the Hyperloop. As the Tesla's companies, just Hyperloop is making far betterments in their field, as it can able to take humans up to 500 kilometers per hour. It is just a dream for many of us, as we can just go by bikes for 60 or 70, we just feel the thrill on us. But when we're going by 500, there is no shakes or no vibrations felt on us. It is just like a sitting. But these technologies can make us far for a world. If we can able to implement it on our daily basis and succeed on moving on for a distance, far for distances in a very less span of time, as human time is a precious one, as I can say, so that it makes the humans far better a world in the way of to get a better travel speed, so that the outer areas can be covered easily, so that the cities alone won't be developed, other villages and every places can easily be developed, so that transportation is the main thing which we need to develop in a far future also, in the current present also. So I conclude this statement.